In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine multiple videos into one for YouTube. This is free, it's working online with no download, and you can then get your combined video in full HD with no watermark. So what we need to do is open up a web browser and type in Adobe Express. Now many people will tell you to use CapCut, but CapCut is always changing their features, and they often make free features paid. Adobe Express is completely free, so search for Adobe Express and go ahead and click on the first link. This should then take you to adobe.com/express. If you're not here, then you can go ahead and type it in the URL bar. Now what we can do is click Get Adobe Express Free. We will then need to log in with an Adobe account, which you can go ahead and create for free. It will take about 30 seconds. Once you're done, you can go to the plus icon on the left. You can then go ahead and click Video, and then click Video here. Now because this is for YouTube, you want 1920 by 1080, or if you're doing YouTube Shorts, you're going to want mobile video. Now what we can do is get our media ready, so we can click Add Media and then Upload from Device, or if you've already got your media open in File Explorer, you can just simply highlight the videos that you want to combine and then drag it onto the timeline here. You then need to give Adobe Express a couple of minutes to process your videos, so just pay attention to this circle here, and once this is full, everything should be processed. You can then move your clips around and change the order of them, so we can drag the one at the end to the front. You can also trim your clips and make any edits. Now we've done that, we'll go to download in the top right hand corner. If you get this message, it just means that they haven't processed any of your videos yet, so just be patient and come back in a few minutes. Now we can go to download in the top right hand corner, select MP4, and then choose the video resolution. I'm going to select 1080p, and then we'll click download. After that's done, it will then download your video. You'll see it in your downloads folder, or you can just preview it here. If you go ahead and click on the video, we will then be able to see it. And as you can see now, we've got two videos combined into one.